It's TV time with your friend Mr. Puzzles. TV time. Take a break from your troubles. Sit down, crisscross applesauce, and go flipping through the channels to see what we come across. Sitting on the couch with Mr. Puzzles by my side, flipping through the channels, trying hard to decide. Lost in a world of colors on the TV screen. But all I really need is right here, it seems. A slice of puzzle beats that we're trying to find. With Mr. Puzzles by my side, everything's just fine. Together we unravel the mysteries untold in the world of television where stories unfold. Remote in my hand, lost in the glow of that flickering light with the rhythm that flows. Mr. Puzzle snuggled up right by my side. In this moment of calm, our hearts open wide. It's gaming time with your friend Mr. Puzzles. TV time, take a break from your trouble. We'll sit down, crisscross applesauce, and go flipping through the channels to see what we come across. Whoops! That was a TV show for grown-ups.